In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a budget tracker in Notion. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use tracker set up through Notion's template library, so you can keep tabs on your spending and savings with very little setup. First, open your web browser and go to notion.com. This takes you to Notion's homepage, where you can access all your notes, databases, and templates. It's helpful to bookmark this page if you'll be checking your budget regularly. Next, click Login or Launch Notion. The wording you see may depend on whether you're already signed in. Either way, this will take you into your Notion account so you can work inside your existing setup without starting from scratch. Once you're in, go to your workspace. This is the area where your pages live. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want your budget to live, whether that's a personal space or a shared team space. Now click Create New Page. This opens a fresh page where your budget tracker will be placed. Think of this as the container for your tracker. It will appear in your sidebar so you can come back to it anytime. On the new page, click Templates. If you don't see templates right away, click Marketplace. Both options lead you to Notion's gallery of ready-made pages, which is the fastest way to launch a solid budget system without building one from scratch. In the search bar, type Budget Trackers. You'll see a collection of templates specifically designed for managing money. These range from simple tables to more robust databases with categories, monthly views, and even roll-ups that summarize totals automatically. You will be provided with different templates to choose from. Take a moment to preview a few. Look for features like expense categories, income tracking, monthly breakdowns, and dashboards that give you a clear snapshot. Consider how you like to work. Do you prefer a minimalist sheet or a more detailed system with charts and filters? Browse the templates and look for the one that best suits your needs. Pay attention to the structure, the default properties, and whether the layout feels intuitive. You want something that makes it easy to add transactions quickly and review your spending at a glance. When you've found the right fit, click Add. The template will be added to your workspace as a new page, ready for you to start using. From here, you can begin entering data and make light edits later if you want to tailor labels or views. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.